Saxophones, or anyone on part 2, 4 before 17. Part 2, 4 before 17. Okay, let's try it real quick. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and. Okay, so now can we start 5 before 17? Is it going into that that's messing us up? It is? Okay, so let's try 5 before 17 and see if we can go into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Good, try it one time. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now how about measure 16 for everybody? How do we count that? And 3 and 4 in. Okay, who thinks they can clap it for me? Okay, I'm going to count you off. 1, 2, ready, and good. Who else thinks they can do it? Chandler? 1, 2, ready, and is that right?
Yeah.
What,
Played something that was
what do you
more
think you did incorrect?
I did. And before, something like that, I don't know.
Almost. You came in half beat early. That's what you're doing. You did come in on the end, but the end of 2 instead of the downbeat of 3. You want to try again? Okay. 1, 2, ready, and there you go. Okay. So can we all clap it? That measure. 1, 2, ready, and good. Now can we add the counts to it? Count and clap. 1, 2, ready, and again. 1, 2, ready, and one more time. We got someone on the downbeat. 1, 2, ready, and play it. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and. Okay, so can we all start, please, 5 before 17? This is to make sure part 2 can come in 4 before, and then everybody comes in on 17. There we go. Make sure we're counting. 1, 2, and 5 before, ready, and. What happened? Okay, someone came in on the downbeat of 1 instead of on the end of 1. Okay, let's try one more time. If you gotta have a little strum on the shoulder that yells 1, make sure that's what you do. Okay, here we go. 5 before. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and. Okay, let's try one more time. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and. Now let's go to the beginning and see if we can make it down that far. Here we go. Beginning down that far. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and. work that out, because yesterday we had some problems at 17, but I don't think we need to do that, do you? Okay, let's start at 17, and I'm looking for 26, 27, and 28, see if we need to work that out. Okay, start at 17, let's see if we can make it to 29, or if we need to work on those three measures. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and... I think there was a wrong note in either measure 24 or 25. I think it was 25 on beat 4.
Yeah, that was me.
Was it? Okay. Let's do it one more time. Make sure, because that time 26, 27, 28 was right. Okay. So let's try it one more time and make sure that it's not a fluke. 1, 2, and 17. Ready, and... in 25, so can we work one note at a time? Play me your first note in measure 25. Your first note, ready, and... We've got B flat, right? Okay. You have an E natural, right? Okay, who's on part 3? Okay. So do you have an F?
Which beat?
Beat 4?
Yes.
Okay. Part 2, you have an E natural? Beat 4? What we just played? You have a G? Does anybody have an E?
Yeah, me.
You have an E on B4. What part do you have?
25 B4.
And I'm stupid too.
Okay, so you guys have an E. Okay. And then part 1 has a D. What do you have? Okay. I wrote it out, so that would be concert C is their D. Okay. You have an A? Yeah. Okay, concert pitch. That's right. Okay, so let me hear that beat 4 again.
Oh, you have a
No, yours was written. Here we go. Beat 4. Ready, and... that measure. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and... 1, 2, ready, and... Good. So now back at 17. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and... Yes, good. Okay, now, the only other thing that's incorrect is what?
Accents.
Accents. Okay.
Okay.
What is our dynamic starting at 17?
Forte.
Forte.
And then beat on the end of 2 or 28 is anticipated.
Yes. Everybody notice that?
Yes.
Did you mark it? Yeah. If you're on the second part, you don't have that. But if you have a fortissimo on the end of 2, make sure you mark that so we have the difference between the forte and the fortissimo. And now we have to put in the accents. What kind of have it first?
Marcato.
Marcato. And then we go legato.
Staccato.
Okay, so we should have ba ba da. Right? Okay, so here we go. Let's try it. Make sure we have that marcato. Marcato is the one causing us a problem. Some of us are playing it too long, but what should it be?
Duck.
Okay, short and heavy, just like that. Okay, here we go. 17. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Ready, and. Is there a difference in dynamics there in that last measure? Not at all. So we have to make sure we have 1, 2, 3, 4, da, da, right? Okay? So 4 before 29. 4 before 29. 1, 2, and 4 before, ready, and. Make sure we have that marcato. 1, 2, ready, and. Okay, that was better. Okay, beginning down to 29. Here we go, beginning down to 29. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and. Why did I stop? Because someone held over. Okay, let's try it one more time. Okay, make sure, what's going on with our pitch between those two octaves?
Second
You're
off.
not hitting
It
that
is
note.
flying out the window, but why? What's happening?
You're not hitting that
Yeah,
second note on pitch.
everything's-
Okay, so our embouchure is too tight maybe on that upper one, and we're going sharp on the upper one, okay? Or we could be loosening up too much and going flat on the bottom, right? So we have to make sure, what do we do at home?
Practice with the tuner.
Practice with a tuner so you know what tendencies you have. So here we go. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and.